What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And sometimes when it comes to performance modifications, sometimes you got to start out small. Which is the case with this SR Performance strut tower brace. With its 4-bolt design, this strut tower brace adds another level of rigidity to your car at high level stress turns and cornering. Now this part... What the fuck did I just drop? Oh shit. Now this particular strut tower brace right here, guys, is significantly lighter than the OEM one that came on this California special Mustang GT. So not only does it actually look cooler, but in a sense, it adds a little bit of weight reduction to the car, which, I mean, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. We can all use a little bit of weight reduction. Well, shit, I can use a lot of weight reduction. I can just reduce myself. And anyways, let's get back to the video. And last but not least, guys, its patented Caesar's arch design changes up the game when it comes to bracing your strut towers. Now let's face it, we can all use a little bit more bracing in our strut towers. Am I right, ladies? Which now brings me to the installation part, guys. Listen, this thing is so easy to install that even a retard like me or that dude in blue or whatever, even anybody can install this thing. Wait, I wasn't calling that dude in blue guy a retard. He probably never watches my videos anyways, but he's probably never going to hear that or see that anyways. But in case somebody goes out there, listen, I got a couple cars that I might want you to review sometime in the future. Definitely not calling you a retard. I am a retard though, and I can install this. So let me show you guys what it looks like when a retard installs something. Oh yeah. Anybody interested in buying one of these, go check Marketplace. I'm gonna be selling this thing soon, so you can probably pick it up for 50 bucks. Anyways, back to the install. Anyways, I figured now will be a good time to kind of show you guys what my engine bay looks like naked. It actually looks pretty cool. We'll take this thing out of the way. There it is. I do have this Ford Racing, I think this is aluminum actually, coil pack covers, and I have this custom 5.0 liter solid steel. This was gifted to me by Viper Sill. Thank you very much for that. But damn, this thing is dirty though. I took off the engine cover because I actually like the way it looks without the damn engine cover. But damn, it makes a difference. Look how dirty, how much more dirtier your car gets. Damn, I'm gonna have to clean this thing up, but I'm still keeping the engine cover off though. Extra bolts for extra bracedness. And there it is, guys. It's finally installed. Now, one thing that I like about this strut tower brace compared to the other one also, besides the 4 extra bolts that it has, well, 2 extra bolts for extra rigidity, is that Caesar's arch, that arch kind of gives you a little bit more room to like mess around with the engine, a lot more room to do stuff compared to the other one, which was a lot lower. But that's where I'm going to leave the video at today, guys. Like I said, small minor modification, but you got to start out small. Next mod that I do to this Mustang, it's going to be racing seats, and then after that we're actually going to start getting a little bit more serious. We're going to start messing with the suspension. Remember, this is going to be a track car, autocross, not drag racing car. So we need this thing, so we need this car as absolute light as it can get. This car is still going to keep shedding more weight. I might try to lose a little bit more weight, but the actual suspension parts that I'm going to be installing, that's going to drop about another 30 to 40 pounds. So far, this car has lost about 232 pounds, which is pretty much, it lost me. I'm no longer driving this car when I'm sitting in it. But, like I said, starting out small, slowly building our way up. Either way, let me know what you guys think. in the comment section down below. SR Performance strut tower brace with the Caesars arch. It's your boy, Mr. Random. This is the Jezebel California Special Mustang. Catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.